All right, hey guys, I just got Taco Bell, and you guessed it, oh, wow, she's so cute today. Here, oh, hello. Oh, nope, they're just straightening out. Oh God, oh no, they're backing in. Great, I was like, I'm gonna have to move. So I'm obviously trying the Quesalupa. I've also got cheesy potatoes. I've also got a Diet Baja Blast. And lastly, I got the cinnamon delights because those things were the tits. Okay, I'm stoked. This thing looks like kind of bomb. I haven't watched any reviews on it, so this is a genuine opinion. I'm not making the same mistake as last time when I went, what the frig is this? I mean, yes, amazing. We love saving the planet. I just did not expect a paper straw. Oh my God, why is this so good? Okay, that's enough of this. Let's get into the reason we're all here for this video, the Quesalupa. Oh, already got some lettuce flying out. Son. Oh wow. Oh wow, what is in here? Ooh, it had a little home. I'll put the home back on. Okay, this is actually cute because it's easier to eat this way. Okay, so what's this crunchy stuff? It's on this side too. I guess it's cheese. What am I? It looks, on this side, it looks like someone like dropped like crunchy tempura flakes. On this side, it looks like cheese. Or maybe I might be crazy. Someone is literally getting out of the car staring at me and I don't care. Okay, we got it. So we got the thumbnail. First things first is we're gonna break this puppy apart and see if it actually like pulls apart. Like the cheesy pull like we've been seeing in these advertisements. Oh God, my car is gonna get so friggin' nasty. Okay, ready? Let's see. Ooh, nope. It's very soft. Oh my God. Nope. Honestly, I can't even break it apart because it's not crunchy at all. No, it's literally, it won't break. Okay, we're just gonna go for a bite. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Ugh. The sauce is everywhere. Okay. I can't even give it the benefit of the doubt because I'm literally at the Taco Bell still. I didn't drive home, so I can't be like, oh, it was like sitting in the car for 10 minutes. It wasn't. Okay. I like the flavor. I don't like the texture. This is like mushy. Like you could see I couldn't even like rip it apart to see if like cheese would come out. That's disappointing. Especially after my last taste test with McDonald's, where that chicken was so crunchy and even better than my expectations. This, I thought the shell would at least be like, I don't know. Like, oh God, this is, oh, it's all on my steering wheel. It's literally like, ugh, this is not a cute visual. I'm gonna save this and try to revive it in my air fryer so I don't like waste food. But as far as this review goes, this is done. It's not good. Just an update, I air fried this. It's way better. Listen to this crunch. Like I said, I like the flavors. I could taste the cheese, I could taste the meat, I could taste the sour cream. It's good. It's like, but it's in a soggy diaper because it literally shat all over the steering wheel. That's vibes that I'm getting. Soggy diaper vibes. Yeah. Now before I end this video, I just got to try the cheesy potatoes, the Fiesta potatoes, because they're back and they're my favorite thing at this place. Like, come on, it's like a perfect snack. It's got little sauces, it's got cheeses. I think this is literally, I'll check in a second, $1.89, and I think it's like 200 calories. You can't go wrong with cheesy potatoes. These things are the tits. Oh my God. Wowza. Wow. I just said fom. Mom. Freaking mom. Yeah, this is awesome. I'm gonna bring these home and eat these. But lastly, last thing I gotta try on camera is the cinnamon delights. These things are awesome. Oh my God, they're so warm. They're so warm. It's like a warm hug. They taste like a churro donut. Oh my God. No regrets. I'm just gonna eat this. whole thing. Yeah, bomb. All right, you guys, that is it. I have got to get home to give Jimmy his food, but I just want to say thank you again for watching. Please let me know in the comments below what other fast food you want me to try or test out, or if something's coming out soon that I need to prepare for. But I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.